everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you're interested in Hokkien, then this channel is for you. In this channel, I'm going to teach you the basics of Hokkien one by one. So if you're interested, just keep on watching and please subscribe. What is Hokkien and where did it come from? Hokkien or Minnan language originates from the Minnan region in the southeastern part of Fookien province in China. It's spoken anywhere from millions of people in the world, such as Taiwan, Malaysia, Indonesia, and in other countries in Southeast Asia. Even here in the Philippines, this is mostly used at home. But sad to say, nowadays, kids don't like and don't know how to speak Chinese anymore. So let's start by learning Hokkien. And our lesson for today is about numbers. Episode 1, Numbers. How do you say 1 to 10 in Hokkien? It, di, sa, si, go, lak, chit, pue, cao, tsap, or you can say chit, neng, sa, si, go, lak, chit, pue, cao, tsap. Now you have learned 1 to 10 in Hokkien. Let's proceed to numbers 10 to 100. How do you say 10 to 100 in Hokkien? Tsap, ti tsap, sa tsap, si tsap, go tsap, lak tsap, chit tsap, pue tsap, cao tsap, chipa. It's easy, isn't it? Now you know how to say 10 to 100 in Hokkien. We'll go back to 11 to 20. 11 is 10 plus 1, tsap and it equals tsap it. 12 is 10 plus 2, tsap and di equals tsap di. Tsap sa, tsap si, tsap go, tsap lak, tsap chit, tsap pue, tsap cao, di tsap. Same goes to 21 to 30. Di tsap it, di tsap di tsap sa, di tsap si, di tsap go, di tsap lak, di tsap chit, di tsap pue, di tsap cao, sa tsap. Now, let's try if you can say these numbers in Hokkien. What is 39 in Hokkien? Sa tsap cao. Next, what is 45 in Hokkien? Si tsap go. Did you get it right? Lastly, what is 78 in Hokkien? Chit tsap pue. Next, let's move on to big numbers. 100 is chipa. 1,000 is chicheng. 10,000 is chiban. 100,000 is chipacheng. 1 million is chitang. 10 million is chaptang. 100 million is chipatang. 1 billion is chiyak. So now, this is all for today. Hope you learned something from me. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you'll be updated on my next videos. Thank you and see you again. God bless!